Oh, well, what do you know? Silverado on the hoist. Funny that. But just got back from the friggin' parts store. $711 million. So that's good. Picked myself up a pig iron. Got myself a pig iron. Got some friggin' Dominion Sure Seal, boys. Yeah, got some of the Dominions. Check this out. Luxo Blue. Luxo Blue, probably. That looks similar. We got some friggin' gravel guard, boys. Maybe we'll do the Rockners. Do the Rockners and that. If we got some paint left after we do the box sides, then we'll just, you know, do them. But check this out too. Schultz gun, boys. Okay, so we'll wreck that. That'll be no good anymore after we use it. Some hardener, some friggin' reducer. Got some black primer, more friggin' sheen sealer, more friggin' stuff. Some Mipson cups. $1,100 million, boys. It is actually crazy. That was $280 for just, you know, this much paint. Where is it? I lost it already. Great. That much paint, a little bit. Tin of this, tin of that, a couple of those. $280. And then this, 80 bucks. Unreal. They need to start reducing the prices on some stuff. Probably. Or I need to start charging more for fixing up this truck. What happened? But got a little bit of the patchy poos done there. Check out the qualities of the craftsmanship on that, boys. You're not gonna find that at no Mickey Mouse operations, probably. Okay? Wraps around in the corners and stuff. I had to do around the gas tank, but I wanted to get insurance on the truck before I did that. I mean, the problem is, I dropped the tank. We got the fuel lines, gonna piss fuel out directly. Fuel lines connect right there. Welding right there. So I don't smell any fuel. We already welded right here, so I don't see what be the Weisner. We'll just take, you know, careful. I got my freaking fire extinguisher with the water, made sure it had the pet sear into it, ready to go. Got a couple patches over here. I got those pieces, you know, cut. They're just little rectangles, so we'll just tack those on quick. I want to get some sheen schmealer where I need it tonight, so that tomorrow we can paint, get the frame done. In other words, I cleaned up the Rockners a little bit, so we'll be able to shmam our piece on. This guy here, just a little L bend on the old little 16 gauge there. No big deal. No big friggin' deal, boys. And then we can just, you know, ticky-tacky that. We just overlap it, just cap it. Give her the little how you doing and some rock guard, boys. And we'll undercoat the piss out of the inside, and it'll be totally awesome. I was able to get, you know, 95% of the junk out of the frame, which was, you know, caused the rot holes, right? This is high there, low here, high there. So this whole section of frame just likes to hold chunks. No good, you know what I mean? Totally no good. But it's coming along, just slowly but surely. Don't call me Shirley. What happened? Oh yeah, that was the other thing. That's why I had to quit, because I ran out of gas, as I got a new gas bottle. Within like 3 minutes of starting, not even, like right away, like 7 ticky-tackies, and the welder didn't work. I go, what the hell? Check it, no wire. You know, I mean, I had rolls and rolls and rolls of wire because I stocked up when we were doing the dump truck, but can't really stock up on gas. You know what I mean? I could get more tanks, but that's a little inefficient. Well, it's probably more efficient, but less economical, probably. But yeah, we'll get the welder set up here. Ticky-tacky couple guys on. Got my friggin' workstation all friggin' set up. It's awesome. Fresh bottle. New roll of wires. Good when the piece is moving and you're trying to cut a straight line. It's the best. Works out pretty good for inwood, you know what I mean? Can you hear that? That's the frame rusting. It's probably on fire is what it is, but that's a funny joke. You can hear it rusting. Ha 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 ha! I apologize. drink. That makes me feel a little better. There you go, boys. Fucking Silverado frame repair 101 Inwood Customs. How you doing? Remember that F-150 I did? And I called the video like the only way to repair a frame and this and that or something like that. Well, that's because I didn't want to do that. Buddy bothered me, got drunk, kept driving, come over here, throwing cigar butts in the yard. I told him, hey man, there's an ashtray over there. Oh, I'll get it next time, and just mushed it into the mud and this and that, and then wanted me to fix his frame. So I was like, sure, I'll fix your frame. $400. Welded 4 pieces of angle iron on her, called her a day. Fixed his frame though. Never heard the Wisner. Son of a bitch, but really this is how you're gonna want to do it there. You know, wrap her around nice. Get her all like nice. Look at that one, eh? Holy dudes. Holy dudes. A little hole there, but nothing a little pooping schmam can't hide. You know what I mean? Soars! Susie! Oh, thank you, cigarette. I was starting to suck. You know what I mean? I was starting to suck, but yeah, I guess we can start welding rocker panels on. I gotta do the inner on this one big time. Like, you know, there's only like a foot of good inner. The rest is just decked the whole way back, so I'll have to just use some cobbled up pieces there, bend them up, put a little Elbus onto them there. It'll be awesome. It'll be awesome, dudes. We'll just hit these with the pickler there. That'll just blend it into the frame and you won't even know it's there. See how that's just blended? It's just like it blended, right? But yeah, there we go. Frame is patched, boys. I hope you're happy. How do you like them apples? I apologize. I apologize that my freaking Silverado has a freaking new patches in his frame. But anyways, 3 steps closer. We'll friggin' get back out here tomorrow and hang out tomorrow. Wasted half the day friggin' shopping. You know, on a friggin' shopping spree. Anyways, boys, okay, I go.